Almost every real-world database has dates, and the good news is SQL has built-in functions to make working with dates really easy. The bad news is dates are handled differently depending on which database you're using. This is day 24 of my SQL in 30 series, and today we're going over date functions. I'm using SQLite for this series because it's free and easy to install. But if you're using a different database like MySQL or SQL Server, make sure to watch until the end for a quick cheat sheet explaining the differences. All right, so I have a table of orders here, and let's say I only wanted to see customers who ordered in April. So I'll start by selecting the customer name, and then we need to pull out the order month from this order date column. In SQLite, you'll use the string format time function to pull the month. So here's the syntax you'll use. You'll say strf time, open parentheses, and then in quotation marks, %m. Close your quotation marks. Then add a comma, followed by the name of your column where you have your date field. So order date. Then close your parentheses. So this is going to create a new column that will just be the month pulled from the order date column. And you may want to add an alias and name your column something that makes sense. All right, now I'll finish my code by indicating the table I'm pulling my data from, and let's go ahead and run this. And there is the customer name and their order month. Now you can do the same thing if you wanted to pull the year or the day instead of the month. To pull the year, just use %y, and then we'll change the alias, run this, and here's my order year. To pull the day, just use %d. Again, I'll change my alias, run this code, and there's the order day. So that's how you handle dates in SQLite. If you're using a different database like MySQL or SQL Server, the concepts are basically the same. So here's a quick visual to help you understand the differences. I hope this helped, and make sure to follow for more.